do in-kind donations using QuickBooks Desktop. This is the process. The first thing you do is create either a sales receipt. It will say donation if you're using QuickBooks Desktop for nonprofits. I've got donor Bob. I've created an in-kind donations item. This will go to the in-kind donations revenue account. Just because it makes it easy for me to spot, we're going to make it 999. There we are. And you can see it populates the description. It would populate the rate if I wanted to do that. And again, it'll also put it to the in-kind donations account. That's the way I have it set up. So I'm going to say save and close. Right, at this point, go to my chart of accounts. And you can see my in-kind, where am I? Here we are, in-kind donation income has $999.99 in it. The income portion is finished. Now we have to handle the cash, or rather the value of the goods as they go through the system. The next thing we do is we create record a deposit, and you can see there's a deposit or a check waiting to be deposited. I select the check, $999. It's actually not a check, of course. It is the value of the goods. We're not going to deposit it to a bank account. We're going to deposit it to the in-kind transfer account that we set up. This account is a current asset account. It should always be zero because you're only going to put money in and you're going to take money out almost immediately. So we're putting the money here, save and close. Go back to our chart of accounts. The in-kind transfer account now has a balance of $999. We've moved it into in-kind transfer. That's not what we want, where we want it at the end. Now what we're going to do is create a journal entry. The reason we have to create a journal entry is because QuickBooks is designed to handle currency, money. It's not designed to handle transactions of goods and services. So we're kludging just a smidge. So what we're going to do is we're going to find ourselves an expense account. And I'm just going to put it to miscellaneous expense. And if this was perhaps copy paper that someone donated, you would expense it to office supplies. If it was food, you might put it to food, so forth. So here we're going to say $999. And where's it coming from? Well, it's coming from our in-kind transfer account for $999. Save and close. Back to our chart of accounts. Our in-kind transfer account is now zero. And if we look at our miscellaneous expenses, we now see that we have had this transfer of $999 and expensed it. That's the process. It is no different than if you use cash, because in cash you would accept the money and put it to a bank account, not the in-kind transfer, and then you would spend the money out of the bank account. Here you accept it, you put it to the in-kind transfer account, and then you effectively spend it out of the in-kind transfer account. You have to do the same steps even though you don't go to the store and purchase it. Thank you so much.